Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick video. It's kind of funny how this all went down. I did a lot of videos this week and I had my vlogging camera, which is my Sony camera that I use to carry around. It's very easy and portable. Well, my memory card filled up and I didn't bring my camera bag that day, so we had to finish the rest of this video with my cell phone. It was tricky, it was hard, but I got something for you guys. So today is my client Stephanie. She's amazing, she's a sweetheart. Every time she comes every 6 weeks, she likes to switch it up a little bit. And I allow her to get away with that with certain things. I would never do anything to compromise the integrity of her hair, but she loves little tweaks here and there, so it's fun to always have somebody who wants something different, fresh, and new. So today I have 3 concoctions. We are doing a half baby light retouch, so I'm going to be doing my lightener. Every third foil will be a low light, and I'm doing a paint between for her gray. She's 100% gray. She wants to go darker. You guys know I don't like permanent color. I don't like going dark on the base, but I'm doing it because it's what she wants. She's okay with the maintenance, and I'm going to use the low light to tie everything together. All right, guys, I got 3 formulas here. This is Kenra's with a bonder inside. It's their new bleach from the Simply Blonde collection. I've had it collecting dust for a few months, so I figured why not use that. I have the 20 volume to go with it. So far, it's been sitting here for 5 minutes, and I love this consistency. It kind of reminds me of Schwarzkopf Lamy that I used to use for years, and it hasn't swelled or anything, with like kind of a creamier consistency. It's not too grainy. This I made now, so I don't have to worry about it later on because we're only doing a half. This is a permanent color, 6NN, 30 grams with 10 grams of 5NN. This is gonna give her a little bit more darkness. We did a 7 permanent color last time. I'm not a fan of permanent, you guys know that. That's why I wanna show you this video. She's very light. You gotta be careful when doing this. I'm gonna paint between the foils with this. It will help when it comes to root shadowing her later. She wants that prominent root shadow. She's aware that going darker will show her gray sooner. She's willing to do all that. She's okay with it. And I haven't used Joico in a long time, so I took them and dusted off the cobwebs. And I'm using 6N, 30 grams, and 10 grams of 6NW. And that will connect as a low light to bring this together. And I'm only gonna bring that down 1/3 to 2/3 the way. All right, so let's get going. Something that I find my clients love the most about my blonding menu and having different options. No 2 blondes are the same. Everybody needs different things. Everybody has different budgets. With a half highlight, I get to show you guys today. I do it where everything is touched that will be seeable by the eye from other people. It's way less on the pockets and the wallets. I do both sides, left and right, from bottom up. I do an upside down triangle in the back, which I'm doing right now. And then I do 10 to 25 foils underneath the neck hairline from ear to ear. So basically I go around the entire hairline from front all the way around, spiraling around the whole entire head. And the only thing that gets left out is a bulk of the hair, which is like 1/3 of the hair, underneath the triangle at the top of the crown. You'll see it more up close in a couple of clips coming up, but take a good look at it. It's something you might want to implement. This is what I use as a half highlight. It's really a little bit more than a half, but this is what I like using. It also is healthier for my client's hair to not have to do a full all the time. If they like to do a full, I'll do that. But halves are easier, better on time, better on the client's wallet, and they can do them for up to 1.5 years without having to do a full. So it's something to think about. I also do carry a partial highlight option as well, and I offer all 3 of those options with the TZ lights.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me.
So we did the half. I did between 9 and 20 under here, like I always do for a half. It's good to know. So when she pulls it up, everything looks done. I did do a regular root touch up in between with the color, so her roots are covered everywhere. You don't really need to do that because it's underneath, but I just did it. And then my camera memory card is full and I don't have my bag, and I always usually do. So that's why I'm using my phone. So whatever happens in this video, you guys will see something. Don't hate me. I did the paint between, and then, which is 6NN and 5NN Joico Topchic. And then the Lightener's 20 volume Kenra lightening powder, 9 levels plus of the Simply Blonde new one. And then the Lowlight was Joico Lumishine 6N, 6NW. And now we're gonna let her process. Everything's looking good. But this is how you darken a blonde with a really dark root shadow. Keep watching.
Down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we are in pixels on a screen.
All right, guys, so what I'm doing is usually I always tap the money pieces last. Even though we're darkening her with a smudge, we're bringing it down about 3 inches. I did the paint between because with a paint between, it helps make the root prominent. She wants, you know, coverage. Where a shadow, I usually would just, you know, shadow it an inch or two, and then you can see the diffusion and still there, but it's not as prominent. Paint betweens are good to do when I'm doing a rooted look because it helps cover better. She likes that dark root, so that's what I'm doing. We did go a little darker. Last time we did a 7, which I love a good level 7. That's like my favorite thing to do for low lighting and rooting. But she wanted a little darker, so we did 6NN with a little bit of 5NN. And now I'm using Joico Lumishine 6N, 6NA. So now I'm combing it through. We're literally gonna let this sit for a full 20 minutes almost because I want it to really suck up and give her like a real good rooted look. So keep watching. Sorry, thank you for bearing with us if you're still watching this video and haven't signed off yet, because my camera, I forgot my bag, and the one time I do, my memory card decided to be full, and I have over 4 or 5 videos on there, so I haven't edited them yet, so I don't want to risk deleting anything. All right, guys, stay tuned. And we're gonna do 10V, 10P. When everything else fails, always use Goldwell. And we're gonna do 10V, 10P. Only leave it on for a minute because her blonde is so beautiful. This is just gonna give it a good freshen. And then I'm gonna show you guys the results. So if you bear through this video, thank you so much. I love you guys, because this was not planned. All right. Such a cute color for fall. So we did the root paint between with a permanent, which I hate, you guys know that. But she wanted to have more prominent colors. So the paint between is great for a smudge because it's gonna make it look more prominently dark as opposed to like a translucent shadow. And I also use Joico for the root shadow or smudge because it's more opaque. So look how beautiful that is. You can see it, you can still see the dimension. And then that low light, the level 6, it helps break it up and transition it from the shadow down. So it's not just dark and then blonde. Do you get what I'm saying? And this makes it look totally fall-like. We had enough time for the little bit of light, and we are obsessed with this. Only God knows in 6 weeks what we're gonna do next. She loves changing her mind. But this is it for today. If you got to this point in this video, give yourselves a big fat thumbs up. Give me a fat thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, you guys, until the next time, so long for now.